I'm in my element. Money getting bigger, that's the evidence. They wanna see me fall, I promise you I never slip. I'm on the grind, do it for the dead presidents. Dead presidents.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And at this point I already got my face and my eyebrows done, and we're gonna go straight into eyes, which I'm grabbing my LA Colors eyeshadow palette in Nude, and I'm grabbing the first top crease color, and I'm going to be working it from the outer corner all the way into the inner corner. And yeah, and I'm going to be working that in windshield wiper motions. Next, I'm going to be taking my LA Colors Trio palette in Sunflower, and I'm going to be taking that middle shade, and I'm going to be putting it right on top of that first transition color that I use in my crease area. Next, I'm going to be taking that same palette, and I'm going to be taking the last color, and I'm going to be working that into my outer V all the way into the middle of my crease area and blending up. Going back into that LA Colors Nudes palette, I'm going to be taking that dark brown shade and applying it to my outer V and blending in towards the middle. Next, I'm going to be taking Amber Blaze by Mary Kay, and I'm going to be putting that all over my eyelid using a flat eyeshadow brush. So next, I'm moving on to blending any harsh lines that I created along the way. So I'm taking a blending brush and my MAC Dark Deepest, I believe, and I'm just going to go back and in windshield wiper motions clean up anything that looks harsh. So after finishing eyes and putting lashes on off camera, because it would literally take me forever and a day to put them on, so moving on to highlight and contour, I'm taking Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind and Caramel, and I'm taking Black Opal's True Color Foundation Stick and Black Walnut. So just highlighting my usual places: underneath my eyes, my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin, and followed by my powder, which is Ben Nye's translucent powder and Topaz, and I'm going to be putting that everywhere I highlighted. Now going in with Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Kit, and this is in the medium to dark, and I'm taking the darkest color, and I'm going to go in and set all that cream contour that I just put down. Now I'm going in with just another fluffy brush to wipe away all the yellow powder that I put down underneath my eyes, forehead, cupid's bow, and chin. Now I'm lining my waterline, and this is a pencil by Beauty For Real, and it's in the shade Whiskey. It's like a dark, smoky, bronzy color. Going back in the LA Colors Trio palette, the last dark color that I use on the outer V, I'm actually going to go and line the bottom of my eye just to the middle. And taking Amber Blaze and going from the middle to the front of my bottom lash line. Finally going in with Laura Geller's highlight in Ballerina, and I'm going to be highlighting my inner tear duct, underneath my eyebrow, nose, and Cupid's bow. Now for blush, I'm taking the Sunkissed Trio palette by City Colors, and I'm going in with that peach color on the apples of my cheeks and my chin. Now finishing off my cheek highlights with Wet n Wild's Hello Halo and Go With The Glow. So last but not least is the lips, and I'm taking a brown lip liner that I got from my local beauty supply store, followed by a lip gloss that I got as well from the local beauty supply store, and it's a lip plumping lip gloss, which I really don't need any more plumping to my lips. But with that being said, there's no name on the bottle, so I'm so sorry, you guys, if that's totally no help. It is what it is. But yeah, so after that, I am taking my face spray and I'm going to be spraying all over and buffing out my face, and so everything could just look as one. My forehead looks harsh. I know it looks harsh, but by the end of the video, I had it all together. I promise you, I had it all together. So thanks you guys for tuning in to another video, and thank you to all my new subscribers, and thank you for all the likes and positive feedback. Until next time, see you guys later.